Good morning. Today is Friday, July 6, 2012. Here I give a commentary of the events that as it unfolded yesterday and the day ahead of us. The events that unfolded yesterday were of big magnitude. One is China. China left the CRR unchanged and reduced the prime lending rate by 0.25%. This move is aimed at infusing more liquidity into the system even as the economy gets depressed with data falling below expectations. As far as the Eurozone is concerned, the Bank of England announced fresh stimulus measures yesterday, whereas the ECB Bank, European Commercial Bank, kept the deposit rates at 0% and brought down the prime lending rate by 0.25% to 0.75%. Clearly, the markets were not happy with this announcement as they were expecting further stimulus into the market. This brought down the euro and strengthened the US dollar to some extent, bringing down commodities, especially bullions. Today's data from the US is the unemployment and jobless claims data, which is most critical for the next trend to clearly emerge in bullions and base metals. Markets are expecting that the data would continue to remain bad, as this would give hope of fresh stimulus into the market. This data is expected at around 6 p.m. this evening. Crude is now trading lower at $86.75, below $87, which was the close yesterday. Expected to open lower in the MCX at around the 4800 mark. It hit a high yesterday of 48.99. The support immediately below 4800 is at 4760 and 4740, and resistances are at 4850 to 4870. Weekly traders can watch out for levels of 4905 and 4740. A breakout either side could divert prices in either direction. So it's expected to open lower by around 20 bucks. Watch out for INR moves during the early trades this morning. Natural gas trades positive, opens over 1% higher, expected to open above the 163 mark. Weekly traders can look out for support levels of 158.30 and resistances of 164, 166 and 168 to be tested. Gold is now trading at around $1,604, broke below the $1,600 initially last evening, settled at around 1606, now trading at 1604. Support is seen below $1,600 at 1590. Resistance is only at $1,620. Expect a trading zone of 1590 to 1620. A breakout either side could decide the next move. On the MCX, it closed at around the 29,750 mark. Immediate resistance is seen at 29,800 and at 850, and support is seen at 29,600 to 580 mark. Expected to trade in this zone of 29,500 to 29,800 to 850 intraday before the data comes out. Silver trades at $27.80, hit a low of 27.50 yesterday. Support is seen at 27.5 and resistance at 28.30. On the MCX, it closed at 53,750. Weekly resistances are now at 54,100 and 54,350. Support is at 53,500. A break, if sustains below, could test 53,250 and 53,000. Sell-on rises look to be the strategy for now. Of course, watch out for INR moves for trades in bullions during the course of the morning trade till the data comes out this evening. Copper is trading in a range of 424 support and 432. Rose up sharply yesterday to almost hit the resistance of 432, settled lower as soon as the initial data came out from the US, which turned out to be bad, hit a low of 426.25 and closed at around the 428 mark. A break below 426 could see down next support being tested at 424. Trading range can be taken as 424 to 432 during the course of morning trades. Nickel is trading in a zone of 920 to 945. It closed around the 930 mark. It's trading sideways and choppy, and no major breakouts is seen either side. If it sustains about 920, you could see further upsides up to 940 to 945. On a weekly basis, if 920 is not violated, you could see 945 and 955 in trades during the course of the next few days. Lead, zinc and aluminum are trading sideways and moving in tandem along with the copper. No major breakouts are seen on either side in these three commodities. For further updates and commentaries, please visit our website at www.akshayaship.com. Have a safe and profitable trading day. Thank you.